Dah jom start.
Okay.
Alright.
Ikut kah?
Okay. Hello and welcome back to the safety spotlight. Today we have our guest, the safety inspection, Zafarisa. I am Ashraf. You can call me Achap or whatever you want. And today, looking at the critical image that show a worker grinding very close to the gas cylinder. Yeah. Okay, so Zafarisa, what is your initial reaction?
My initial reaction is one of the serious concerns. What we're seeing here is a major violation of several safety standards, including OSHA separations distance requirement. The spark from that grinding operation are clearly flying direction towards those pressurized gas cylinders. That's a massive fire explosion hazard. So what about you, Azam?
Zafarisa, could you elaborate a bit on why the sparks are such a hazard in this specific situation? Is it just a fire risk or is there more to it with the cylinders?
That's a great question, Azam. It's more than just a fire risk. The heat from those sparks, and remember, grinding sparks are very hot, can heat up the cylinder metal. If the pressurized relief device or valve is exposed to the excessive heat, the internal pressure can increase rapidly, leading to the catastrophic rupture or leak. Boiling liquid expanding vapor explosion, if the liquid is gas, or the integrity of the cylinder itself, we are risking.
Hang on a minute. I see two cylinders. They are one red and blue. We need to be specific. Assuming standard industrial color coding, that likely is a line for red and blue for oxygen. This isn't just fire hazard. It's potential disaster involving a powerful oxidizer and fuel gas. This setup must be stopped immediately. I agree.
So that was just for us a crucial point. So, Mazab, from your engineering perspective, what do you think in that setup that are missing?
I think the core issue is segregation and protection. We need a clear non-negotiable procedure. We should establish a minimum self-distance, say 10 feet between hot work like grinding or welding, and any compressed gas storage, or implement a fire-resistant barrier if the distance can be maintained. So,
I absolutely agree with that suggestion, Azam. And to add to it, the cylinder aren't being used, they're just being stored temporarily. They should be returned to a dedicated, secure and controlled storage area away from the work zone.
I usually appreciate the 10-foot rule, but let's be realistic. In a busy shop environment, perhaps focusing on the cylinder card itself is more practical. Those cylinders look like they just on a transport dolly, you know. The standard procedure must state that before any hot work begins, the cylinder must be secure in a storage rack or moved far away. We must enforce that transport carts are not the storage racks.
So Fauz, that's a fair point that you just give us, because we need to make sure that our solution is practical.
That's where we look back to training and visibility. I suggest we create a series of safety snapshots. poster using image like the two of the most critical violation like not wearing Google or not wearing the safety glove, something like that. We can also add a mandatory short cylinder safety refresher module next month. The goal is to make the safe choice this easy choice. Yeah.
Sounds good to me. The visual reminder is powerful.
Agree. The operation team can facilitate that quick move procedure.
Excellent. My team will ensure that training module covers the why behind the rules, the risk to life and property, not just the rules themselves.
Fantastic. So to summarize all of the discussion, we agree that transport cards are not storage, and we'll implement a visual safety campaign and refresher training focus on the risk. Everyone good with the next step?
Yes.
I like the answer. Aku dah keluar.
Ding.
That wraps up this episode of the Safety Spotlight. So, remember, safety isn't just a goal. It's a constant, active conversation. Stay safe out there, and we'll catch up to you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.
Roll like